Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to model radiant surfaces in DesignBuilder. I will introduce radiant surfaces using the hot water heated floor template, edit the loop and system components so that they are appropriate for the heated floor system in this model, introduce the internal source, which enables you to provide heating or cooling via internal constructions such as walls and ceilings, and finally, I will run a quick simulation and discuss the results. Radiant surfaces allow you to model a wide range of radiant systems.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.